So here's how to fix Epic Games unable to connect to account error. So first what you want to do is open your browser, so for example Chrome in here, and then head to store.epicgames.com and make sure you're logged in. So you want to click on the sign in button on the top and sign into your account if you're not already. Then you want to go to support section, and then you want to scroll down a bit and click on show all tools, and then scroll down again and look for your support requests. Click on it, and then you will simply need to select the platform, which is optional. You can select PC or whatever platform you're using. Then for the product we want to select accounts, and then under this contact reason we want to select linked or console account, and then in this box you will need to describe the problem. So for example, you want to type something like this: hello, I'm having trouble linking my Epic Games account to my Steam account or whatever other platform account you're trying to link. And then you will need to specify your username for both platforms, including Epic Games, and then tell them that you need help linking these accounts. Then you want to click on continue, and they will prompt you with some AI generated answers, so you can read through them to see if that actually helps. Now otherwise, if it doesn't, you can scroll all the way down and click on submit an email request. Now this button might be initially grayed out. You can first you will need to read and rate this AI generated answer. So if it helps you, you can click on this solves my problem. Otherwise you can click on I still need help, and then scroll all the way back again and click on submit an email request, and that should send a request to Epic support team that will reach back out to you in a couple of business days, and they will either tell you how to do this or they will do it for you manually from their side. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.